Hello students, in this video we are going to see Data Encryption Standard and Introduction. The most widely used private key block cipher is the DES, that is Data Encryption Standard. It was adopted in 1977 by the National Bureau of Standards as Federal Information Processing Standard 46. DES encrypts data in 64 bits blocks using 56-bit key. The DES enjoys a widespread use. It has also been subject of much controversy in its security. In the late 1960s, IBM set up a research project in computer cryptography led by Horst Feistel. Then IBM developed Lucifer cipher which operates on blocks of 64 bits using a key size of 128 bits. It redeveloped as a commercial cipher with input from NSA and others. In 1973, NBS issued a request for proposals for a national cipher standard, and IBM submitted their revised Lucifer, which was eventually accepted as DES. Next, we will see about design controversy of DES. Before its adaptation as a standard, the proposed DES was subjected to intense and continuing criticism over the size of its key and classified design criteria. Recent analysis has shown, despite this controversy, this DES was well designed and it has accepted by various persons. DES has flourished and is widely used, especially in financial applications. It is still standardized for legacy systems with either AES or DDES for new applications. The overall scheme of DES encryption is illustrated in this picture, which takes as input 64 bits of data and of key. The left side shows the basic process for enciphering a 64-bit data block, which consists of an initial permutation which shuffles the 64-bit input block, a 16 rounds of complex key dependent round function involving substitutions and permutations, a final permutation being the inverse of IP. The right side shows the handling of 56-bit key and consists of an initial permutation of key PCI which selects 56-bit out of 64 bits input in two 28-bit hops. Next one, it also consists of 16 stages to generate the 48-bit subkeys using a left circular shift and a permutation of two 28-bit hops. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.